Hello beautiful people, welcome to my drawing ritual. And today we have something special. Well, I have something special for you. I'm gonna be working on the full back piece. 3, 2, 1, here it is. The back piece that we're gonna be using. And I prepared exactly the same way like I prepared the sleeve previously, with white layer underneath the main photo. And the main photo is set up on multiply. Let's get into it. Add extra layer, turn on the drawing assist. And what it means, I turn on symmetrical drawing guide, so you can see that there is in the middle, there is this thin line, which means anything I'm gonna draw on one side is gonna be drawn on the other side in the mirror image. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Just like that, just like magic, but it's just a drawing guide. So, assisted clipping mask. Now, because I turned on the clipping mask, I can just draw perfectly in the shape of the back. That's not what I want to do. I want to use some of the mandala shapes that I was drawing yesterday to create some cool blackwork shape, put maybe some geometry inside later on. Well, let's see. Let's choose the mandala first. This one I was drawing yesterday. This is what's cool about this clipping mask. You can just stretch it into a whole back, or maybe even bigger. Whole body is a mandala. Maybe I can just stretch the whole thing. Well, this is where the experimentation starts. That's very bold. Let's go back, create some frame, clipping mask, drawing assist, and start drawing. Draw some shape all over the back, and then start adjusting it and refining. Exactly the same like with mandalas, making some shapes appear. Maybe then we're gonna put some mandala inside it, or something else. I don't know, we'll see. Possibilities are endless. And it's fun. Now I'm just using eraser tool, just erasing things. I feel like erase a little bit too much. That's cool. Now let's get to the middle part. Maybe like that. Maybe. I don't know. I will see. Maybe this is gonna evolve different direction, possibly. I'm also gonna use liquify to see if I just liquify it from one side and I twirl it left or twirl it right. But that's not what I'm looking for right now. Let's get back to normal. Let's get back to drawing. I'm gonna use some line work in this bit. That's a nice curve in here. I don't know which direction this is going, but that's fine. It's not always gonna go direction that I want to, because I don't know which direction I want this to go. I'm playing around. I'm exploring different possibilities, learning at the same time. I don't want to be impatient and then the magic will happen. I'm just removing things. Let's say this sort of shape. Something is appearing. I don't know where is it. Maybe one more shape. And let me just remove this bit from the middle. You see, this is going completely different direction than it was on the beginning. I've just created some kind of frame with some weird shapes going out of it. Maybe now I'm gonna put mandala, maybe right in the middle, make it smaller so more elements are visible, but it's still quite bold. Duplicate it, just so I'm safe. I can just remove it from the sides. Inside we have this nice kind of like window in the church. Those guys don't look good. I'm sorry, but I'm just being realistic. Everything is being removed. Just the shape in the middle stays, and that's fine. I'm gonna make it bigger and maybe flip it the other way. Now let's just keep it this way. And it's sometimes happening like that. You're starting one way and you just have to remove everything because it just didn't work. And it's fine. It's totally fine. There is no mistakes, just happy accidents. Exactly the same like Maestro Bob Ross. This is gonna be much simpler than originally designed. Simplicity is the key. Sometimes I'm overcomplicating my designs when I'm drawing, and then it's untattooable. Oh, I feel like I'm hitting the wall with this one. This is just some straight shapes, which are really cool as well. Am I gonna throw the iPad in the second? This looks okay, but like I said, it could be much better. I'm not 100% happy with this. I did have a day off today, staying at home and drawing. I'm gonna use a little bit of liquify, boom. And on the bottom, in the middle of this mandala, I can also use liquify without drawing assist. and just twirl it. Oh, hello, Hector. Hello. Hello. This is Hector. Mwah. I've been drawing. I've been waiting for you. You've been sleeping, yes? Okay. Okay. Mwah. Go away, Satan. I need to finish this project. That looks pretty cool. I really like it. It's very bold, but it will look sick as a back piece. You see, from something that I completely hated. I hated the previous designs, but there is something is missing. We can just add few little tiny bits and pieces. Little line work on the side, thicker line work. This is cool. And maybe some line work that will go over there. Longer on this side, because obviously the photo is not super symmetrical. It's a body, not a mannequin. Feel like I want to erase tiny bit more somewhere in this part. Let me just put some drop shadows. Choose the select tool, soft brush, and I'm just gonna drop the shadow. Now I can just soften it with a soft brush. I can just lower the opacity a little bit. This is pretty cool. I like it. Let me see what's gonna happen if I'm gonna add and make this like that, and also draw on the arms. It's just framing the whole thing beautifully. From this Blackwork shape, we can just add geometry on the arms, for example. Let's do it. Make the edge around here. Throw some mandala bead. This one. First, I have to turn it into a multiply. Oh yeah, this will be like a whole arm. Look, look, look. You can just visualize things. Just remove maybe the bottom part. So it's just gonna finish where this edge is finishing. Duplicate it, flip horizontal, just remove tiny bit. That starts getting more and more interesting. Drawing assist, clipping mask, drop shadow, soft brush, opacity going down. Let's just remove it from the spots that are unnecessary. And now I can use the soft brush. We can even add some Blackwork shape on the bottom of the arms. There we go. It's almost done. Don't go away. Done. This is pretty cool. I like it. I'm just gonna remove one of those shapes from here. Let's make it as perfect as possible. Can this go a bit more like that? Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. You see, little adjustment, and it just makes it look 1,000 times better. And here it is, finish back piece with 2 sleeves. Obviously, this is just flat design that will have to be adjusted to the body shape, how this is gonna wrap all around, lots of measuring involved. But as a quick mock-up, that was fun. It's very bold. If I make it smaller, I can understand everything what's happening. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, explore my channel to watch more videos. Goodbye.